Now here, this will be a good way to look at some of these pictures. How about, Will, a 165-inch micro LED TV that folds into nothing? I'm going to blow your mind. You didn't expect to have your mind blown today when you came here. And no. I brought you Mars, and now I bring you 165 inches of folding TV. Now you're wondering, what is he talking about? The TV's enormous. I get it. What do you think about that living room, by the way, that the TV is in?
Yeah.
I mean, the living room is so good that it almost feels like a TV is unnecessary.
Right, yeah.
And that's why I think they chose it to showcase this technology, because there's going to be times you want to put that away, especially that scale, if you have a place like that. So if you scroll down to this video, and you got to play this video.
Okay.
This is unbelievable right here. It's called the Seeed M1, the world's first foldable 165-inch TV. Check this thing out, Will. Well, first of all, check out the place. Check out the glass. Check out the ocean or whatever it's looking at, and look at this. The tiles shift and move out of the way, and things begin to happen, but in an unusual fashion. No, it doesn't just come straight up from the floor. It comes up to the side in a singular monolithic post-looking thing, and then in an accordion fashion, it unfolds into one single rigid structure while the base is rotating at the same time. I mean, you might not even want to watch anything on it. You might just want to watch it come up and down.
Yeah, I'll just keep pressing that button.
And look at all the metal, and look at the tiger on the display. I mean, this is one of the coolest displays I have ever seen. It's from an Austrian company. They do these ultra premium displays like this. This is the M1. I said it has micro LED tech. Well, you need it because it's in different segments that then stitch together as it transforms itself. It's billing itself as the world's first foldable 165-inch. And the set, which is going to be available in 4 finishes, black, gold, silver, and matte Titan, will set you back $400,000 USD. $400,000 USD. I said it twice because it was a lot.
Yeah.
Now, I do have some questions regarding like these shifting tiles and things.
Yeah.
Who was installing this thing?
Yeah, does that the 400,000 come with the installation fee?
I don't think so.
Or is it just a TV?
I don't think so.
Oh.
And I'm going to say something else to you. That thing is pretty fat. So you, like your flooring, you got to be aware. Because you have your typical, what do you have? Your trusses and you got to have enough support and room. And obviously it can't interfere with other things you have potentially down there. The HVAC
wiring,
or
power.
You got to get power over there.
Yeah.
It's a lot of questions, but once it's there,
I mean, yeah.
My God, it's got to be the fanciest one I've ever seen. Believe it or not, it's not even their biggest TV. Oh. They have an outdoor TV at 301 inches, but it doesn't do this fancy stuff. Like it's not nearly as cool as that one, but you just got a new place, Will. Maybe this is what you need for it.
Sure.
Yeah, just grab one of those real quick.